Hi everyone, today I'm going to describe the flow of blood through the heart, and we'll break it down into steps that we can hopefully remember. The blood flow through the heart has a specific route that it takes as it moves through the different chambers and valves of the heart. Here's the quick breakdown. You can follow along with this numbered image that shows us the route. First, deoxygenated blood enters the heart through the SVC and IVC, or superior and inferior vena cava, which brings blood from the body to the right atrium. Note, vena is vein, so in this case, the blood is low in oxygen. Second, the right atrium contracts and pumps the deoxygenated blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then contracts, sending the blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs to be oxygenated. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygenated blood then returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins. Note, this vein, unlike others, is now carrying oxygenated blood that will flow into the left atrium. The left atrium then contracts, pushing the oxygenated blood through the bicuspid, otherwise known as mitral valve, into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts forcefully, sending oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, which distributes the blood to the rest of the body. I've included this additional slide with the cycle listed in a different way in case one makes more sense to you than the other. This cycle continues throughout life automatically to ensure oxygenated blood gets to our tissues and deoxygenated blood gets to the lungs to become oxygenated. And as we all know, all of this occurs thanks to the autorhythmic cells of the heart, the SA and AV nodes, which send out their electrical signals, causing the heart to contract at the right moments, thus actually making the blood move. Without our little pacemaker friends, none of this magic is possible. Also keep in mind, typically the veins are deoxygenated blood, with the exception of the pulmonary and umbilical veins, which carry oxygen-rich blood.